Welcome to Star Chat, the cosmic corner of the universe where we explore the wonders of space and our place within it. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to share with you the latest news from the vast expanse of human exploration. As we gaze up at the starry sky, we're reminded that our world is but a tiny dot in the grand tapestry of existence. Yet, it's from this very dot that we've managed to launch ourselves into the great unknown, to walk among the stars, and to call the cosmos our own. Today, we celebrate another remarkable achievement in human spaceflight as 4 astronauts return home from their mission aboard the International Space Station. Imagine being suspended 250 miles above the Earth's surface for nearly 5 months, watching the curvature of our planet unfold before your eyes like a breathtaking work of art. This is exactly what U.S. astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, Japan's Takuya Onishi, and Russian cosmonaut Kirill Peskov experienced during their time on the ISS. Their journey was not just about floating in space. It was about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge through scientific experiments that will help us better understand our world and the universe. The Dragon capsule, a marvel of modern technology, courtesy of SpaceX, safely carried these astronauts back to Earth, splashing down off the coast of California like a stone cast into the vast ocean. This moment marks not just the end of their mission, but also the beginning of new discoveries, as the data they collected will help pave the way for future space exploration. As we reflect on this achievement, let's remember that space travel is not just about the destination, it's about the journey itself, the challenges overcome, and the wonders encountered along the way. It's a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and our innate desire to explore. The story of Crew 10 also intertwines with another fascinating chapter in space history, as their launch facilitated the return of astronauts who were stranded due to unforeseen challenges with the Boeing Starliner. This narrative is a powerful reminder of the resilience and adaptability that define us as explorers of the cosmos. As we continue on our own journey through the universe, let's keep looking up at those stars, inspired by the knowledge that there are individuals out there, floating among them, contributing to the ever-unfolding story of human spaceflight. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat, folks. We're diving into the wonderful world of space exploration and astronomy once again. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you some fascinating news from the cosmos. First off, let's take a moment to remember a legend in the space community. NASA is paying tribute to a pioneer who paved the way for future generations of astronauts and scientists. Tom, can you tell us more about this incredible individual? Tom, that's right, Carl. NASA is honoring the legacy of Tom Doyle, a renowned astronaut and engineer who played a crucial role in shaping the U.S. space program. His contributions to the field of space exploration are still felt today, and his dedication to advancing our understanding of the universe is an inspiration to us all. Carl, that's terrific, Tom. And speaking of inspirations, we have some exciting news from the International Space Station. The NASA SpaceX Crew 10 mission has successfully returned to Earth, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California. This historic mission marked the first time a crew has splashed down in the Pacific as part of NASA's Commercial Crew Program. The crew, consisting of NASA astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov, spent several months on board the ISS, conducting hundreds of hours of scientific research and maintenance activities. Their findings will help advance our knowledge of space radiation, plant growth, and microgravity's effects on the human body. Tom, that's right, Carl. And this mission is a significant milestone in NASA's plans for long-duration human exploration of the Moon and Mars. The Commercial Crew Program has provided reliable access to space, enabling scientists to conduct critical research and testing necessary for future deep space missions. Carl, absolutely, Tom. It's an exciting time for space enthusiasts, with private companies like SpaceX leading the charge in commercial spaceflight. And as we look to the future, it's clear that collaboration between governments, industries, and individuals will be key to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. Well, that's all for this segment of Star Chat. We'll be back with more news from the world of astronomy and space exploration after this break. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the final story of the day, and it's a fascinating one that takes us to the outer reaches of our solar system. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you the mystery of dark comets that are prowling our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine a comet, an icy body from the depths of space, hurtling towards our planet. But this is no ordinary comet. It's a dark comet, a mysterious object that's so faint it's almost invisible to our telescopes. These enigmatic visitors could hold the key to understanding how water arrived on Earth, but they also pose a previously unrecognized threat to our planet. The Japanese spacecraft Hayabusa 2 is currently on a mission to investigate one of these dark comets, and what it discovers could be revolutionary. As we explore the outer reaches of our solar system, we're reminded of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the study of dark comets is just one example of how scientists are pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. But why are these comets so important? Well, my friends, it's because they could hold the secrets of our planet's origins. The water that covers most of our Earth, the water that we drink, the water that sustains life, it may have originated from these very comets. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? The idea that the water in your cup, the water in the oceans, could have come from a distant, icy world that wandered into our solar system billions of years ago. As we explore the universe, we're not just discovering new worlds and celestial objects, we're also uncovering the history of our own planet. We're learning about the forces that shaped our Earth, the events that led to the emergence of life, and the delicate balance that sustains it. It's a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things, a reminder that we're part of a much larger cosmic narrative. So, as we conclude today's Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder, a sense of awe at the mysteries that surround us. The universe is full of secrets, and it's up to us to uncover them. Whether it's the mystery of dark comets or the search for life beyond Earth, the journey of discovery is what makes us human. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.